In this video, you'll learn how to assign deals in HubSpot. Assigning deals efficiently is crucial for maintaining a streamlined sales process and ensuring that your team members are clear on their responsibilities. If you're new to HubSpot or just need a refresher, don't worry, I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, let's navigate to where we need to be in HubSpot. Begin by heading over to the CRM section of your HubSpot dashboard. Once you're there, look for the deals option. Click on it and this will take you to a list of all the deals currently being tracked within your system. This is where you can view the status of each deal, check progress, and make necessary adjustments. Now, find the specific deal you want to assign. You can do this by scrolling through the list or by using the search bar at the top if you have a large number of deals. Once you've located the deal, click on its name. This action will open up the deal's detailed view where you can access all the relevant information pertaining to that particular deal. With the deal open, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here, you'll find various properties associated with the deal, such as its value, stage in the sales pipeline, and importantly, the deal owner property. This is where we'll be making our assignment. Next, click on the drop-down menu next to the deal owner label. You should see a list of names appear. This list consists of your team members who are set up in HubSpot. Simply scroll through and select the name of the sales representative you want to assign to the deal. This action will update the deal owner, ensuring that the selected team member is now responsible for managing and nurturing this deal moving forward. Assigning deals in this manner helps distribute workload evenly across your team and ensures that each deal is managed by the most appropriate team member. It's a small step, but it can significantly enhance your team's efficiency and effectiveness. And there you have it, a straightforward way to assign deals in HubSpot. Remember, keeping your CRM organized and up to date is key to a successful sales strategy. If you need to reassign a deal at any point, you can follow these same steps, making it easy to adapt to any changes in your team or strategy. Thanks for watching and happy selling.